Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching Just Undecided. This week I am back with a haul. I did another Aritzia haul because they recently slashed down the prices even more and there were still some items that I really wanted. So I went to the stores this time. So I went to the Aritzia at Hillcrest and then I went to the Aritzia and Wilfred at Eaton Center. So this is where I bought majority of the stuff and I will of course link them all below, but let's get started. Okay, first piece is this crop black plain crew neck sweater that I got. It is pretty wide on the bottom, but that's how you want a crop sweater. You don't want it like to be like that, otherwise it's super weird. I got this one in a medium. I picked up and tried on a small first, but it was like a centimeter shorter and I didn't like that. Like once I raised my hand, the top was already like showing most of my midriff, so I really like that. It still looks crop in a medium, but it's a lot more slouchy, a lot more casual and cool looking, I think, in my opinion. I also like that the sleeves are more billowy so that I can, instead of having it like that, folding it once kind of gives it that really cool undone, like I don't really care, but I carefully chose this outfit kind of vibe. And it's super soft, so it's not like a thick terry that you can't wear in the summer. This one I would definitely wear like to the airport or on my way to the cottage. And I've been on the hunt for a plain crew neck black sweater for so long. You can ask my sister, I've been looking for one for so long and I finally found this one and it's on sale. It was $32. I don't know if it'll be cheaper by the time this goes public, but yeah, really good find, I think, for a classic sweater that will only get better with age. Okay, so these are my first pair of pants that I got in this haul. I did get a few. These are the Levi's Wedgie Icon jeans. I had bought a pair that's slightly lighter a couple years ago. I think I wore them once or twice and had to not wear them again because they were just too tight. I bought them a size too small. These are 25 and these are the white oak like edition one. So I think it's like a special collab that they like white oak did with Levi's. I've seen them in the Levi's stores, but I also do think that Aritzia is one of the few that do carry this collab line. It's a little bit of like a harder and darker denim. And so I think that that's why I like these a little bit better than the wedgies I had before. The ones I had before, you can kind of see like the streaks of the lighter blue dye, and these ones you can't. So it's just a very classic pair of straight leg jeans. Got that wedgie super high-waisted look and then the 5-button fly. I'm hoping they stretch just a little bit because I think if I have like a meal they get significantly tighter, but I really like these. These are size 25 and they were on sale for $55, so that wasn't really a question there. I'm never gonna say no to a pair of jeans that are like under $60, $70 that actually fit me nice. You never know when you're gonna need a new pair, right? You can really see the awesome distressing color. It's not a true just like one shade of blue. They've done a really good job of like having it lighter right in the thigh area, but not like too light that it makes your thighs look big. The way that they've done it actually makes my thigh look a lot smaller than it is. Kept it dark up here so your stomach looks flat. Got the classic pockets. So yeah, definitely a good denim find at Aritzia this time. Next is another pair of Levi's. These are the 501 skinny stretch. So my favorite pair of Levi's are the 501 skinnies with no stretch. So that's 100% cotton. You can look back on a couple videos ago where I did a full denim review. These ones are the stretch, but I actually don't mind them because it is a white, like a full optic white pair of pants. Having that stretch is a little bit more forgiving in terms of like all the rolls that sometimes happen when you have 100% cotton. So again, this is like the same rise as a wedgie. I thought the wedgie was gonna be a higher rise from at least what I remember, but these ones are sitting about the same. This is a size 25 and the leg inseam is a 30. I still had to roll them up though. I don't know, did I shrink or if they just have like slightly of like a different, you guys might have like a little bit of like a longer measurement, because I think, because at Topshop when I do the 30-inch inseam, it always fits perfectly, but these ones don't, so I don't know. Anyways, this is what a 30-inch inseam from Levi's looks like on me. And a lot of you asked that question about how tall I am, so I'll tell you again, I'm just under 5'6". I think my legs are longer than my torso, so I still need to roll them if I want them to sit above my ankle, but if you want them to just like go right to the floor, then these are perfect. They are super stretchy because they got that elastane in it, I believe. I will check the pocket in a bit. These are on sale for $70. And the only other white jeans I have were like a Simpsons Rocket that I actually bought from Aritzia, I don't know, like 7 years ago when they were on sale. But those are like full skinny white denim, and this is like a little bit different. It's got a little bit more room in it, and it's a little bit more of that like vintagey mom vibe almost than just the classic white skinnies. But I do recommend you find a pair of classic white skinnies too, because that's a good staple for your wardrobe. So this is what it looks like close up. White is really hard to show on camera, eh? It's like coming off a little bit blue. But this is how they fit up close. Okay, so this is actually the first outfit that I tried on in the change room. These are a pair of, like, I would say luxe sweatpants. They're not regular sweatband material. When I come up closer, you'll see. They're cropped and like straight leg and have these like side pockets. But I think this is like a really, really cute escalated sweatsuit look. So like I got the hoodie, not the hoodie, I've got this sweater on, like the crop sweater on, but not with like a matching terry bottom. I find that that's just like too much for me. I know that some people can pull it off really well and look really cool in like athleisure, but I feel like I just look so sloppy. So I always like to find like a little bit more of like a luxe sweat bottom or a sweat top, so they're not like just like a matching like sweatsuit. So this is what it looks like up close. You can see they're like very, very minusculely ribbed. I really like this side pocket that's almost hidden when you look at it from the front. It's got a very thin tie. These are cotton, mostly cotton, a little bit of nylon and spandex, so that's why they stretch. They almost remind me of like a nice pair of Kitten Ace or even Lululemon pants. These are by the group Babaton, and they usually make more like, I guess, office appropriate wear, so maybe these are a pair of like office appropriate bottoms. This is one of the pair of pants that I've had my eye on for a while at Aritzia, like these super wide leg cotton culottes. They're almost like a, I would say, a chino khaki material, but they've designed it with like the huge pleat in the front, and so that they come out extra voluminous, not just like a regular culotte. They're a little bit more dramatic, I'd say. And yes, I got them in 2 colors, so you're gonna see the dark gold after. I had to get the black ones just because I knew I'd be wearing these for a long time. So I got the black because they're just so classic, and you can't really go wrong with black wide like pants at this point. I really love how they have a thick band on top with like the 2 hook closure. So that's what gives you that like really small part at the top. So it's just like, it's not just like a little elastic part that like belches out after. It's very, very sleek so that it makes you look as long and small as possible. And then it comes out very gradually. This pleat is done so beautifully. It's not like multiple pleats, so it doesn't make you look like you have a belly. It's just one long one that comes down and helps with that super dramatic look. So I got these in a size 2. I needed to get a size 2 because it sits so high-waisted and the band is so wide that if I got a 0, it would probably be super uncomfortable when I sit. Plus I wanted these to be as billowy as possible without being like oversized, of course. So the 2 fits me perfectly. I do go in between 0 to 2. So if you could, I would say go to the store to try it out. But if you can't, I would size up on these. So these are the dark gold ones. I get a lot of questions from you guys about like what could potentially be good office wear. And just because I don't work in an office doesn't mean that I don't love a good business casual or like office appropriate look. So these 2 pants definitely are like a check mark on the list of what essentials should you have in a closet if like 5 out of the 7 days you're in an office, because these are so easy to transition from office wear to casual weekend wear. I've paired it with a blouse that I'll talk about in a second. I paired it with a blouse that I'll talk about in a second, that has a lapel, is like a silky-ish material, so it is office appropriate, and then paired with these pants that, even though they are pleated, they are more of like a tailored look, and they've done a really good job cropping them, so even if they're slightly longer or slightly shorter depending on your height, they'll look like they were made for you. So this color is so beautiful. I don't often wear color, but I think this is close enough to camel that it's technically like a neutral, and this color will look so good in the fall. I'm really excited to pair it with like my red leather jacket, some like burnt orange pieces, or even just like a black knit. It will look so nice against this really beautiful color. So here it is up close. I do need to do some ironing because of course it was sitting in a bag, but these ones are currently $45. Like, it's such a good steal. You usually can't find a pair of like work pants for $45 unless you're shopping at like the Gap or like Banana Republic. Like, when's the last time you got a pair of work pants from Aritzia for $45? I don't know if you watched my last Aritzia haul video, but I had gotten like a creamy white version of this top that doesn't tie. So this is like such a beautiful like army green. I am like starting to fall in love with green. My wedding colors I think are gonna be like something like this, like grayish dark green. So I think like I'm slightly bringing it into my wardrobe now so that I'm not as shocked when everything is greeny, white, and cream during my wedding. It's a compromise that Trav and I made. So anyways, this is the beautiful color of the top. It is a little bit wrinkled again because it was in a bag and my steamer is MIA right now. I just really like how this white piping stands out. So it is the top that knots in the front, which is why it has the white piping here, but I've tucked it into this shirt. So you can really wear it 2 different ways, and I will show you what it looks like tied up now. So this is what it looks like tied up. They kept the piping in the front so that when you tie it up, you have that really cute white detail in the front too. So this is really, really cute to wear with these high-waisted pants too. You can kind of tie it over a silk slip. And yeah, it's a super versatile top that I will probably be wearing many, many times for the rest of eternity. This is a size extra small. So this top was originally $65. It's on sale for $38 now. So pretty good deal, I would say, especially for yet another work appropriate piece. Am I doing good on the work appropriate pieces for you all that have been asking? Okay, this is my final pick from my latest haul sale of the sale. I'm obviously still creeping online because the sale's still not over, but this is by far one of my most favorite pieces that I found. I don't remember if you guys remember me saying how I love picking up denim from the Aritzia sale haul because they have really good denim brands like Frame, Citizen, A Gold E, Levi's, like just to name a few. And they're all like some of my go-to brands for jeans, and these are a pair of Frame denim. I haven't bought Frame in a while. The last pair I bought were like boyfriend jeans that I haven't really worn in a while just because I got over that and I really love like mid-rise, high-rise, and boyfriend jeans tend to be like a lower rise style. Anyways, these are the Le Skinny Jean Crop. I don't have the best French accent, so apologize for embarrassing myself on YouTube. These are like a mid-rise. These are like basically spandex, but the thing that I love about them is that they actually still have pockets. A lot of spandex jeans just like have fake pockets, and it just doesn't look the same. They don't look like jeans anymore because you don't have that extra little bit of ruching around where the pocket's supposed to be that also distracts from like just like too plain of a region. It makes your hips look wider. So actually having the pockets there act as a little bit of an illusion for making you look skinnier than you are. So these are the cropped version, which I always like because then I don't have to tailor them. So they really, really fit and like hug my figure perfectly. It's been a while since I found a pair of black denim. I have a lot of black denim old pants that like are washed out and no longer fit properly, so I do have to probably throw those out. And so I'm glad that I found these just as I was looking for a new pair, because you always really should be on the hunt for new denim. I say that because I'm a denim addict, but really just like keep an eye out. You never know what you're gonna find, because when you do need a pair, you'll never find a pair. These are size 25. They fit extremely true to size, and they were on sale for $99, which really isn't expensive for a pair of luxury denim. Okay, so that is the end of my Aritzia sale haul number 2. Hopefully I found some pieces this time around that you love if you didn't find anything from the first round. I will be doing more brands soon as you have requested, but keep leaving brand ideas below that you want to see. Some brands are hard for me to get because I am in Canada, so either duties will kill me, duties and taxes will kill me, or it will take forever to ship, etc., but let me know. And as usual, if you liked this video, please leave me a like and a subscribe, and I will see you all next time.